Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught. Let's take a look at our 2012 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive. You've got the 2.5 liter inline 4 under the hood, and that's going to be paired up with a CVT transmission for great highway fuel economy and plenty of power going to all four wheels. On the front, you do have your fog lamps included, the 18-inch alloy wheels here on brand new all-season tires. And this thing's got plenty of desirable options in it. 360 backup camera. You've got the Bose premium audio system and navigation on here. So we're gonna hop on inside right away and take a look at all of that. But first of all, we're gonna open up the tailgate and take a look in the back trunk to see what kind of room you've got. And let me tell you right now, there's plenty of cargo volume back here. You've got the cargo cover to keep your stuff nice and hidden, as well as a full spare tire with matching rim on it. So definitely a really nice option here in case you do run into a flat. Now taking a look around the other side here, beautiful paint in mint condition. This vehicle actually just came back from Fort Lauderdale, so it hasn't even seen the winter within the past year. You've actually got the aftermarket remote start system, which is also a great option for the winter time. But allow me to hop on inside here. Proximity locks on the door handles are going to let you lock and unlock the vehicle with ease. And a couple of the features you're going to find here. Leather interior. You've got the heated front seats, which are power adjustable and lumbar support. And a few of your buttons down here include your power adjustable side view mirrors. You've got your all-wheel drive and traction control, as well as the one-touch windows right there on the door panel. So on the inside of the Nissan Rogue, you've got just under 110,000 kilometers as of this video. So pretty low for a 2012 year model. We typically expect more kilometers if you're averaging that 20,000 a year mark. So this is going to be certified pre-owned, which is a great option to have. You've got the audio controls on the steering wheel here, as well as your cruise controls on the left-hand side. Navigation display right here with your Sirius XM radio. You've also got AM, FM, and a CD player. Not to mention Bluetooth connectivity if you want to connect your phone and make hands-free calls. Bose premium audio system is equipped in this car, as well as your climate controls are going to be located down there. And take a look at this. You've got the 360 backup camera included, which is a great option here. Heated front seats, as well as, once again, access to that 360 camera view. And you've also got your sport mode for extra performance when you need it the most. Now down here, you're going to find your USB and aux port, as well as a DC charge outlet. And as we take a look up top here, you are going to find your sliding sunroof here, power sliding sunroof. Really great option to have. Now taking a look into the back seat, you've got plenty of legroom back here for 3 passengers. These seats do come down nice and flat if you need the extra storage space. And of course, once again, take a better look at that front end and the nice sliding sunroof you've got on the top. So overall, if you're looking for a great, reliable, certified pre-owned vehicle, this vehicle is at a great price point. If you're looking to get into something for the winter time, the Nissan Rogue is a great choice. So come on down to McNaught and our sales professionals will definitely help you out.